Yo! May ganito. Yung dominance na sinasabi ko, explain ko na lang. And I'll play an example for you. My heart. Diba? You know scales na. Okay, ganito. My heart will go on is in E major. Yun. E major. So, ngayon, gawin na lang yung dominance na sinasabi ko kasi may 8 degrees bawat isang scale. Tonic, supertonic, median, subdominant, dominant, submedian, lead to subtonic or lead tone, tsaka octave. Ngayon, if you would notice, ang power chord, dalawa lang pinipindot. Yun yung tonic. In this example, in key of A, tonic, and E is the dominant, the 5th degree of the scale. Paano malaman ng 5th? Ganito, diba? Scale of C na lang, madali. C, D, E, F, G. Ano ba yung panglima? First, C, second, D, third, E, fourth, F, fifth, D. Ngayon, yun yung magiging basis ng harmony sinasabi ko sa'yo. Tsaka yung sinasabi ko pag nagdalawa lang sila ate A, basically magiging tonic dominant ang magiging relationship. Kasi it works like magic, pero actually maganda, pero simple lang. Alam mo yun, walang masyadong acrobatics. Sige, example natin. Paano i-derive? My heart will go on, yung simula is on E. Tapos mag-modulate sa G sharp major. Ngayon, paano mo makukuha yung dominant? Count the 5th degree of E. E, 1, F, G sharp, A, B. B is the 5th. Ngayon, yun yung magiging dominant. Ano mangyari na susunod? Okay. Plot mo na naman yung B as a scale. So, magiging tonic mo yung B. B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, D flat, or mas tamang sabihin, tama, B flat din, B flat, and D. Ngayon, tutugtugin natin yung my heart. Paparinig ko muna yung basic niya na wala pang underlying backing melody para marinig mo yung my heart ng B flat, B. Ganito. Ganun yung opening melody. Tapos yung sa opening, di ba, yung sa my heart. Sabi naman, ganun. Ngayon, pakinggan natin yung sinasabi ko magiging tunog kapag pinagsama ang tonic and dominant. Okay. Yun. Tapos yung G sharp, calculate mo naman. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, may E flat, tapos naman E flat. Imbis na Ganon. Sa tatlong gitara, tonic, median, dominant, the basis of major chords. Pero that's another story. For now, ano muna? Yan, tonic dominant muna. Gets? Okay, good. Any questions? You know where to be. Cheers!